Hey planners, it's Teo Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning my December dashboard page and using this gorgeous Christmas themed deco sheet from the Sweet Planner. I'm doing things a little bit different for this dashboard spread. Typically in this grid section, I keep track of the birthdays for the month as well as the weekly kits that I'll be using each week throughout the month. But I decided because it was December, it would be really fun to track the holiday movies that I'm going to watch throughout the month. So I started by trimming around the grid section using this gorgeous long washi strip from Paper Trail Plans, and I wanted to line both of the sides at the top and the bottom, and then in the center of the top I placed one of the wreaths from the deco sheet, which I thought was so beautiful. And now I want to create a header section, and so I've placed down a brushstroke from Paper Trail Plans, layered on some of the deco. I'm adding in some snowflake clusters from Honey Inked, and then on I think it was like a holiday sampler from Paper Trail Plans, there was this really great script that said holiday movies. And so I placed that down, and that was the heading for my section. And now this is the fashion doll I decided to use. This is from Red Lyrics. Instead of the doll that came with the deco, I thought this girl was just so cute. And I cut and slit into her hand the way it was outstretched. I thought it would really be fun to place the hanging stocking inside of her hand. And so by just kind of cutting the slit, I was able to kind of tuck it under her thumb. And so it looks like she's actually holding that stocking, which is so cute. And now I'm just layering some different shaped boxes. I had a couple left over, third box and a quarter box from a Two Little Bees kit. The gold foiled boxes are from Bloom Paper Studios, and then the pink boxes with the snowflakes are from the Pretty Pink Co. The hanging ornaments up at the top, those were from Sadie's Stickers, and then I had those hanging snowflakes, those were from Bloom Paper Studios, and then I added a bow from a ribbon style bow from Sadie Stickers to that candy cane. I thought it was so cute. Now I'm just sprinkling in some deco and a few of those snowflake clusters from Honey Inked, and then these larger snowflakes at the bottom, those are from Paper Trail Plans, and that finishes off that section. I've got all my boxes down, and now throughout the month as I watch Christmas movies, I can just keep track of the ones that I watch. Now I'm working on the header section, which I'm placing at the bottom, and this is kind of different for me. Typically I place them on the side of that large grid section, but I wanted to put it down underneath the girl's feet here and kind of frame out this bottom section. And so I placed down some of the florals, added in the gift box and that mug of cocoa, and then the large December script is from Paper Trail Plans, which I'm so excited about because I picked up their large month scripts, so I would be totally stocked and ready for next year. And I love the font. It's so gorgeous. I placed some florals in the corners, and I love it because what it kind of does with having the florals on each side and with the way that script trails in and out of the word, it kind of connects them. And so it makes this full sort of like arch over that bottom section. I don't know how else to describe that. And then I just wanted to hang the stocking and some of those ornaments from the florals in the corners. And that's a mix of the Pretty Pink Co. and Sadie Stickers. And then this layering section, oh my gosh, when I finished doing this, I was just like, wow, this is so pretty. So I had this gold foiled circle from Bloom Paper Studio. I added the wreath from the deco sheet, then took a couple of the florals from the deco sheet, placed it on either side. The branches are the large vine stickers are from Honey Inked. And then I had the small holly branches. Those are from Paper Trail Plans. The snowflakes, Paper Trail Plans. The snowflake cluster from Honey Inked. And then the script in the center that says Be Merry, also from Paper Trail Plans. And I was really excited because I was trying to figure out, because I did not have a quote sticker in bright gold. My quote stickers, because I usually like to include a faith quote on my dashboard page, but I only had light gold. I didn't have true gold. And then I saw that quote and I was like, be merry. That feels right for a holiday season, and uplifting and be cheerful, be merry. That felt right. And so I wanted to center that quote, and I really love the way that layering came together. It's so beautiful. Now I'm moving into the 3 boxes on the side, and starting with the center one, I decided to line the top and bottom of that box with florals. And so I cut them in half so that they would look like trims, and I just placed them along the top and bottom, stacked some of the gift boxes on top of a snowflake from Honey Inked. And then I'm just repeating that style of just dangling ornaments from the top of those florals, and then tucking in some snowflake clusters to tie it all together. And then to make it look finished and really clean, I wanted to cover up those raw edges of the florals. And so I had this washi strip from Sadie Stickers, and I just trimmed the top and bottom of that, and it just really finished off that section. And then these ornate washi strips that I'm putting down, those are from Paper Trail Plans. So beautiful. And in the top section, because I am not tracking my kits in the large grid section, is then to move that up to this top section. And then I added in the floral, another brushstroke from Paper Trail Plans. The kit script is from a shop that is closed, but there are tons of great places to get custom scripts. Oh, I already said that hanging deco, Bloom Paper Studio, and then the snowflakes, Honey Inked. We've gone over that. Been there, said that. Anywho, moving down into the bottom box, this is where I will track my social media for the month. And I'm using those same little boxes from the Pretty Pink Co. I had them both in pink and in white, and so for this section I just decided to use the white ones instead of the pink ones, because I thought it would be a little bit more subtle, and there was already like quite a bit going on with all the florals around it. So I thought, okay, let's go with the white ones for this section and kind of tone it down just a bit. Now that I've finished with the dashboard page, I want to work on the order tracker, because this will be where I keep track of all of my orders for the month, and the header section where I'll put the actual quote that says order tracker, or not quote, but script, that's the word. I'm just using one of my hanging signs for my collab with Sadie Stickers, and this was my first time getting a chance to use the navy blue from the winter collection, and it matched this so beautifully, and it's so perfect. And so I'm just creating a little floral cluster here, doing the same thing with adding in the snowflake clusters, and then those cute little hanging ornaments. That order tracker script is a custom from Panda Bird Design. I'm adding another one of those ribbon bows from Sadie Stickers to that candy cane, and I really love how that came out. I just use my pen and a ruler to draw in the grid lines and sections where I track the date, the shop I'm ordering from, a short description of what I ordered, and then I check off once it has shipped, and then check off once the item has been delivered. And that's how I keep track of my orders for the month. Now that I've got that drawn in, I just want to add a little bit more deco just to finish things off. And that completes my spread. Thank you all. Oh wait, nope. I'm going to hang some stockings and ornaments down from this bottom section here, and then I'll be done. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.